You may find yourself importing your images into the same location over and over. Depending on your hard drive setup, you may have a large collection of several folders that you have to navigate to in order to find that one folder. Using an import preset can also help with that. But another quick way is to access this little section in the top right. And if you click on it, it will show you some of the top destinations, but it will also show you recent destinations. On this computer, I don't have a very long list, but on my main working computer in my office, this list stretches as far as it can go. When you click on a location, then the destination will automatically change to that location. So it's a convenient way to import photos into destinations that you use all the time.